After the EA1000H9 outdoor rental LED display is fully assembled, it undergoes a simulated outdoor environment waterproof test to ensure its sealing performance is completely reliable. After the waterproof test is completed, the back cover needs to be opened for inspection, a step that is closely tied to the waterproof testing process. The EA1000H9 rental LED screen isn't just a display, it's a statement of premium quality. Every element, from the ergonomic cabinet handles and precision-engineered fixing slots to the secure quick locks, reinforced corner protection, and easily detachable power box, is designed with one goal in mind: delivering flawless performance with elegance. Whether it's a dazzling concert, a high-profile exhibition, or an unforgettable corporate event, EA1000H9 adapts effortlessly. EA1000H9 rental LED screen features a hub connection design with a detachable power box and hub board for easy maintenance, and can also be fitted with high-precision arc locks that allow effortless curved installations to meet diverse display needs. EA1000H9 rental LED wall screen adopts an innovative magnet-adsorbed LED panel design, supports front and rear maintenance, greatly simplifies the installation process. EA1000H9 rental LED wall can be connected with EA500H9 rental LED wall in left and right and up and down directions. EA1000H9 LED screen supports a high refresh rate of 3840 Hz, combined with high grayscale and high brightness, to bring an excellent visual experience.